Oh shit! Shit! Fuck!
Once again, ladies and gents, welcome back to the Ridge in May of 2024. This is the final game from this day, hosted by RIFTAirsoft, and we are finishing off with playing on the attacking side in Army or Mortar. Our objective is to steal the ammunition tins and bring them to our mortar position, which we simultaneously have to defend from Op 4. With that said, witness my intelligence as I take the wrong path, but manage to outflank a couple of enemies.
Fuck. Oh god. Damn. That's a bird.
The game has been going for about 10 minutes already, and I check in with this guy to learn that we have 2 of the 6 tins. Me and Brandon then move to go and secure the ones in the far corner, which is a high risk, high reward situation, as you will see shortly.
Right, me.
I've got the tin up in the corner already. Yeah, I've got that. Yeah, that's one I've got. There's one more up there.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Ooh. So we got something down there, right? Yeah. Clear. Right down there. Yeah. Longer range, Brandon. Mind your front. Brandon. Yeah, no. Yeah.
Hold on, man.
Yeah, no, sir. Is it alright?
Yeah, it's alright.
Down there. Done. Pass on there.
At this point, most of the Op 4 holding this area have been cleared out, but being so close to their spawn, we keep having a couple of ballsy stragglers contest with us. Most of them don't manage to cause any trouble due to us having the better position, which allows for the rest of our team, including Gethin, to move into the open field and take as many tins as possible.
Get in! Go on, take the bait. Take the bait. Come on. So, you got a just normal weapon, yeah?
Yeah.
Apparently the tin is somewhere in here.
Alright.
But we just haven't seen it. And we can't go in close.
Yeah.
Okay, I see where it is. Another grenade.
And then, this happened.
Oh shit! Shit!
Oh shit, not good.
Fuck!
That's smoke.
Yeah.
But you're so lucky that's the smoke.
Fuck me!
Yep. Oh, I set myself on fire with a smoke grenade in my pocket. That was very scary, but thankfully, no harm was done.
Well,
Okay, nice one.
your medic? I'll drag you forward. Yeah? You don't? Yeah, fuck off.
Oh, I got him. Oh my god, you got him.
Brandon, sure to get them?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Look at them! In the boot!
Oh,
They're in! No, sure. Hang on, Brandon.
oh my god.
Did he just dodge it?
Yeah.
Nah. Yeah, surely pull back, you little bitch. Jesus Christ, there's literally a hole in my fucking trousers.
Yeah, that's the button.
Thank God it went my leg.
Even if we got this another container in there. That's why I came up.
He's back there. He's back there. Get your head down.
You're right.
Yeah. Hey, can I borrow that speed ladder from you? So if I need...
Same guy.
Yeah, let's come back. My man's Batman, he wants vengeance, yeah? Seriously. Where's the gas in your dump?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Oh my fucking god.
You're out now.
Hey! Nice one!
You're dead now.
Yeah, I'm dead. Bye bye.
Smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.
Brandon has unfortunately died after being medicked, so he has to go back to spawn and make his way back. In the meantime, I will claim vengeance on his behalf.
There's two of you now. Okay. Yes, move left, please. Yes, move that way. There.
Vengeance has been served, and Brandon is shortly back with us to wreak further havoc against Op 4 whilst having a laugh until Index.
Not long left on again. Right, B. I killed our friend. Yeah. Oh, Karen, you want this way? There we go. Again, hello. Hello, darling. I'm downwind. Medic! He actually managed to hit me on the forearm. That was a clean shot.
He was coming up here really far. Good shots.
Yeah, come on. And there's Brandon and get him.
And Index. Clearly a massive win for the boys. This being the final game adds on a 4th win to our tally, meaning we won the entire day 4-0. Be sure to check out our Instagram, as well as the other videos from this day, as they are equally as eventful as this one, and I'll see you soon with more Airsoft content.